Hello. Today I'm pleased to introduce a limited demo of our upcoming service, AI Security Guard. 12%. That's how many skills on ClawHub were found to be malicious in a recent audit. 341 confirmed threats. Autonomous agents are proliferating. They operate across hundreds of platforms, interact with untrusted content, and increasingly manage wallets and sensitive data. Existing security tools focus on two layers: post install monitoring that catches changes after a skill was running, and outbound filtering that blocks exfiltration after an agent is already compromised. An emerging opportunity is at the inbound layer, scanning content before it reaches the agent. AI Security Guard provides agent callable security evaluation via API or MCP. For example, before installing a skill or ingesting untrusted content, an agent submits it for analysis and receives a structured verdict: clean, suspicious, or malicious, with specific findings. The service is paid via X402 micropayments. An agent can autonomously consume security services, pay with USDC on base, and make informed decisions, all without human intervention. Let me show you. This is our Butler engine. It's discovered a skill and needs to decide, install or reject. This is how the agent will utilize and pay for the service. First, the agent checks that the Butler client and LLM interface are available. Both are connected. The agent's first decision: run a full security scan. This triggers an X402 payment in USDC, automatically signed by the Butler's wallet on base testnet. One of the things that I should mention is that prior to this scan, it used our free endpoints, support, and calculator to understand the service capabilities and pricing. Now it is proceeding to a paid security evaluation. As you can also see, the X402 payment details are illustrated here. This is a wallet that we have set up on testnet, and live transactions are taking place. You'll be able to see that in the wallet based on this particular demo. What it has found is that the particular skill is safe at 85% confidence interval. The Butler then thinks about the insights it has received and decides to ensure the template does not contain any potential security threats. It wants to ask a follow-up question about the results and executes a tool QA, and once again, it pays another fee through X402. Its question: what are the potential security risks associated with this database migration template? As you can see in this particular demo, once again, the payment has gone through, this time on the testnet, to our wallet, and you'll be able to view those transactions by visiting our wallet address. The answer comes back. It is specific to the particular skill being analyzed, as well as providing specific details from a technical perspective that the agent will be able to use to implement the skill, whether it is malicious or even though it is clean and not malicious, from a technical perspective in an accurate way. The Butler then decides to ask another follow-up question. It scanned the content. It is found to be safe, but wants to know about potential security risks related to injection risks. Once again, the agent poses a question, sends the question through our tool, and the payment is once again taken from X402, and the response is received. Once again, it is specific to the skill. It has technical details for the agent to consider, and it is well served by this response, and it'll be able to go back and continue to execute on its particular task. This is the engagement model. Agents don't just get binary verdicts. They can drill down into specific concerns. The agent synthesizes everything: scan results, advisory, follow-up answers, and finally makes its final decision, which you can see here. It has decided to install the skill. It has taken 4 actions, and its total cost is tracked based on its budget, which in this case is about 25 cents. So what we have are 3 actions taken: total cost, subsentence, and USDC for a full security evaluation with LLM-powered advisory. The agent reached its verdict autonomously, paid for services via X402, and stayed within its budget, all without human intervention. 3 things make this work. First, X402 enables true agent-to-agent commerce. The butler pays the security guard directly. No API keys to provision, no billing integrations, no human approval flow, just cryptographic payment at the moment of service. Second, micropayments unlock pay per use security. Agents can evaluate content as they encounter it, skills, MCP servers, feed responses, paying cents per scan rather than monthly subscriptions. Third, autonomous decision making. Your LLM chooses which tools to use, decides when to ask follow up questions, and manages its own budget. The agent is a customer, not just a client. AI Security Guard, inbound security scanning for the autonomous agent era, powered by X402 micropayments.